Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I have an unboxing of the Mavic Air 2 Fly More combo. Now the combo includes nearly $500 worth of accessories for about $189 more than just the basic bundle. Now I highly recommend getting the Fly More combo because I mean, one battery itself it's $115, so you're basically getting way more. Here's the box. Show you all around. Alright, let's get into this. So you are greeted with the bag and another box. So let me open this first. So right here, it's just your propellers and quick start guide. So here's a shoulder bag. It's made out of water resistant material. So you could either hold it like this or put it on your shoulder with these straps. Has a zipper out here. So I'm gonna take this box out first. So there's 2 extra batteries inside. So here are the batteries. There's 2 extra batteries and each battery has 3,500 milliamp hours inside. The brick charger, so you plug this in here and you plug it into the wall. And this could charge your battery or you could place it in the hub. So here is the battery hub. Now I recommend straight out of the box that you charge each battery individually through here. Don't charge all batteries at once yet. Because I heard there's problems if you charge all of it at once straight out of the box. Now let's take a look at the controller. So here is the controller. There's a new design. It has a 4-hour battery life. It comes with OcuSync 2.0, which gives it 10-kilometer range, about 6 miles for the US. And it has 1080p video transmission. So in the bottom right here, this is where you have a slot for your joysticks. You just screw them on like this. Now in the front, you have your return to home button. You have a dial to change it into tripod mode, normal, and sport mode. And here is the power button to turn on the controller. On the right side, you have a switch to flip between taking pictures or recording a video, and on the left side you have a function button. On the back there's just some vents for it to cool down, and the top you have, on the right side you have your shutter button and record button, and on the left you have your gimbal wheel. You put the phone on top now, and this actually acts as an antenna. So you grab the cable out. You put your phone here and you just plug it in. So here you have some extra cables for the controller if you don't have an iPhone. So it's USB to USB-C and USB to micro USB. You also have the charger for the controller. This is USB-C. Here is a battery adapter, so you plug this into one of your batteries and you could transform it into a battery bank, charge some USB devices. You also have a set of joysticks, and last but not least, so here are your set of ND filters. So you have an ND16, which is good for sunset, sunrise, or golden hour. ND64, it's when it's snowing or when it's like really bright outside, like middle of the day. And ND256, which is your creative filter, so you can make long exposure shots, light trails. Let's take a look at the drone. So that about wraps up my unboxing of the Mavic Air 2 Fly More combo. Let me hear what you guys think of the comment section down below. Are you getting one? Or is the Fly More combo worth it? If you found this video helpful, please give this video a thumbs up. If you aren't already subscribed to my channel, make sure to do so for future content. See you guys in the next video.